Not only can you print something in BlinkBid, you can email it. And this is a video about how to print, email, or generally get the bid to your client so they can pay you lots of money and then you can take people like me out for a drink.
Hi, and welcome to BlinkBid. In this video, we're going to discuss how to print or email your bid. When your bid is complete, you can go to the hamburger and you can print the job as a summary, an itemized list, or a complete composite. Here, you can save the job as a PDF and email it directly to your client. Or, you can email it directly inside BlinkBid, and you can include things like a digital signature request.